So by looking at the thumbnail and the description title of this video, you already know what this is going to be, but I thought I'd show you anyway here. This package arrived prior to Christmas and I haven't had a chance to open it up. I wanted to share this with you guys because it's something special to me. So we have here a pair of beer cars.
Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, from the plains of the Sioux Empire to the heart of the hills.
You may have seen these on the layout before as we've walked through different things. We've got a Conrail and we've got a BN 1991 style car, as my friend operations manager Tim likes to refer to them. And I got these off of eBay. This is one of those deals where I put in the minimum bid and I did not expect to get them, but I did. I'd call that a screaming deal from what I paid for these guys, and I'm very happy with this purchase. I want to take them out of the box and show you a little bit about these. Since I've already had a BN1 out of the box, we'll grab, and this thing is sealed. This is a, no, it wasn't. Since I've already had a BN1 out of the box in the past, we'll open this Conrail one and look it over. The thing to know about these Eel River ready-to-run cars is that they're really a high-quality rail car. They come with metal wheels and actually real KD couplers. These are not the plastic knockoffs. These are actual KD couplers here on both ends. That's a big value to me, and for what I paid for this car, these cars, this was huge. And you may know that Tangent Scale Models did a very similar car, but a different prototype, a slightly different prototype than this car. So you'll see those out and about if you can't find an Eel River models. Eel River did these in several different railroads, but so far I believe the only ones that I have is BN and Conrail. This car represents an insulated boxcar type prototype. You see the words insulated there, and these would have been used, I call these beer cars, but they did probably haul other commodities besides that on the for the backhaul. So these were something that we didn't have active refrigeration in, but they are insulated. So typically perishable commodities, I've heard anecdotally cherries on the backhaul, and of course beer on the way out. I did want to note here the detailed underframe underneath these. This is probably not the most detailed underframe, but for what I paid for these cars, this is outstanding, you guys. So my operations plan for these cars, I do have a small fleet of these already that these will be adding to. I plan to haul beer out of Hill City, South Dakota, and you may note that Hill City has never had a rail-served brewery, and to my knowledge, they've never had a brewery at all. But this is reality model railroading, as Burr Stewart likes to call it, and we're going to add that for operating interest in on the High Line here on the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. Here's where we're going to pull the pin on this particular episode. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment. If you like the content here, smash that like button. And hopefully, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.